Hello and welcome. Today I'm doing some galaxy nails. I have already prepped and buffed the nails to remove the surface shine. So to begin with, what you're going to want to do is start off with a thin layer of black gel polish. You're going to add that to all of the nails apart from the middle nail in a really thin layer, so you don't want any rippling or bubbling once you put it in the lamp to cure. So here I'm doing the last nail. Remember, don't do the middle nail. And pop them in the lamp to cure. Once cured, do your second coat of black and then pop them into cure again. So here you're just going to get the thumb and the pinky nail and add a top of matte top coat to both of those. And that is literally the final step for these two nails, for the thumb and the pinky nail. Once you've done a matte top coat, cure them. While they're curing, you're going to get a palette of some sorts or whatever you can get that you're happy to use this stuff on, and get a pink and a purple and a white, and this is going to go on the index finger. Grab a flat brush and scoop it up and jiggle it onto the nail. It doesn't matter where on the nail it goes, whatever takes your fancy. You'll end up with a swirly galaxy stripe across the nail. Once you're happy with that, pop it in the lamp to cure. Take the matte nails out of the lamp. Now finally finished. So now we're getting a fine detail brush, and on the index finger we are going to do lots of stars by doing lots of dots. Again, placement is not an issue. Just put your stars wherever you like and how many you like. It really doesn't matter. And then once you're happy, pop it into cure. Now on the ring finger, I'm now sketching out a moon with a white gel polish and a detailing brush. And then just fill it in. Doesn't have to be super tidy just yet. You can get some gel wipe-off solution and create some divots and craters in your moon by removing some of the gel polish. You can put in as many or as little as you like. And once you're happy with that, pop it in the lamp to cure. Now going back to the index finger, now adding some foils. So you need foil adhesive glue and place that wherever you want the foil to be. So I'm just roughly putting it on, squiggly, kind of following the design that I did before. Again, you can put on how much you want or as little as you want. Leave the glue to dry for 5 minutes. While that's drying, you can go back to the moon finger, and I'm now going to be adding some highlights and risen areas on the moon. to try and not make it so flat. And once you're happy with all of that, you pop it in the lamp to cure again. Okay, let's add the foil onto the nail. Grab some nail foil and place it non-shiny side down. Then rub it onto the nail with either your finger or a cotton bud, and then gently peel the foil away from the nail. Then ta-da! And you can keep doing that as much as you like. Or if it doesn't come off first time, go back and do it again. Add the glue, wait 5 minutes, and try again. Back to the moon nail, I'm now adding some stars with a detailing brush. Again, placement doesn't matter. How many you do doesn't matter. Just add in some stars. I'm doing a big star here, just on the side, just to mix it up a bit, so there's a bit of a difference. Okay. So here I'm grabbing some pink and I'm adding a planet to the top of the nail. And once you're happy with that, cure it. While that's curing, we're now moving on to the middle nail. As you can see, I'm using a pink, a purple, and you just get a detailing brush and kind of swirl those together. So it kind of like ends up looking like that. And then again, flat brush, you scoop up the polish and jiggle it onto the nail, only at the bottom of the nail though. It will just give like a swirly galaxy effect on the bottom of the nail. And then you're going to feather it, just to blend it out a bit. Doesn't have to be tidy, and then pop it in the lamp to cure. Once cured, we're going to add a thin layer of black in like an arrow pattern, just like that. And then pop it in the lamp to cure. And now I'm adding more stars to the moon nail while that other nail is curing, just to finish that nail off. Okay, so here's the second coat of black. And you're going to want to add a top coat to it after you've cured the black. Add a top coat of matte. Right, so here I forgot to show myself adding the gold nail tape to this nail. I will be doing a video on how to apply nail tape soon, but yeah, there it is. I totally forgot to add it in the video. But yeah, as I said, it's just you put the nail tape on following the arrow design. Sorry. Anyway, with a detailing brush, I'm drawing a line from the point of the arrow to the top of the nail. And we're going to be adding black rhinestones all the way up that line. And once you've filled it, cure it, and then add some glossy top coat to the bottom of the nail, and you're all done. There you have it, Galaxy Nails. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.